Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your phone and the app so nothing interrupts the scan. Make sure your camera permission is on and Brawl Stars is updated. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Once done, find the QR image on another device or printed paper and position it clearly. You should open the app and navigate directly to the social or settings area where the QR reader lives. If you jump straight into the reader now, scanning will be faster and failures are less likely. You now scan the code. Align it in the center of your camera view and hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds so the app can process the pattern. Once the code is recognized, Brawl Stars will show a clear prompt explaining the action, join a club, add a friend, or redeem content, so read it before proceeding. Then tap Confirm to execute the action. If you see an error, make sure the entire code is visible and lighting is good before trying again. Complete the process by verifying the result inside the app. Check your friends list, club membership, or inventory for redeemed items. If nothing appears, you can retry the scan using a clearer screenshot or move to brighter light. Reflections and blur are common culprits. Make sure the code hasn't expired and that you're connected to the internet. If problems persist, restart the app or reboot your phone. That often clears temporary cache or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.